So hey guys, welcome to another video. This is Tom with Back Garden Bushcraft, and I'm going to be joined very shortly by Rob from Storb Unlimited Bushcraft. We thought we'd get out together, film a little video and do an overnight camp. So I hope you guys will enjoy coming along. I'm really excited. I haven't seen Storb for a long time. We talk a lot online, so but yeah, it's been at least 2 years since I saw him in the flesh, so it'd be really nice to catch up with him. Hopefully it'll make a nice video for you guys, just to sort of show you the sort of stuff we get up to, what we cook, what we eat, the craft projects and stuff we practice, the fire lighting, all that stuff. So without further ado, I'm going to get the fire on, get a kettle going, and get myself a cup of coffee, as that's always my first favourite thing to do when I get to the woods. So guys, I have been joined by Rob from Storb Unlimited Bushcraft, a really good friend of mine who I haven't seen for ages.
Yeah,
so
like 3 years.
It's so good to have him here. He's made himself at home in the natural shelter that I camped in at Christmas time.
Thank you so much for that.
So yeah, it's going to be sweet. I think it's almost lunchtime, isn't it?
Yes,
so
definitely worth getting some food on the go.
Yeah, we'll probably do some cooking stuff, and then Rob's really into his sort of primitive craft, so we're going to have a go at some Flintnapping later as well, aren't we?
Totally.
Be awesome. Sweet. Let's do it. So Storb's really into his like Stone Age stuff, and he's made this beautiful flint napped sort of letter opener for me, this beautiful knife with, where was the flint from, did you say?
North Norfolk.
So it's got this lovely, really dark North Norfolk flint, real
really
sinew,
yeah.
Just gorgeous piece of work, and he's given it to me, which is so kind of him. I am like a really happy man right now.
You're most welcome, dude.
Thank you so much. So guys, we've been napping for a little while, so there's my 3. So I made a little tiny thing I'm going to put some wire around and make a necklace out of. Little tiny point. Then I made an arrowhead, and then I've made this sort of atlatl dart point. And then Storb's made this really cute little sort of triangular arrowhead here. And then this is left as is because it's just a great little ulu sort of cutting tool as is. And then that lovely arrowhead sadly met an untimely end, and then there's this lovely saw blade that Storb's made. Look at that, that is super sharp. So yeah, really nice learning the ropes with Storb, and I love a bit of primitive tech, a bit of Flintnapping. It's always really fun. And the creme de la creme is this little knife that Rob's given me, which is just lovely. Look at that. Oh, it didn't stick. Oh, slow walk. Oh. Well, cheers guys.
So good. Beautiful. That's really good. That's really good.
Really nice. A little bit of butter on that would just be sublime. Well guys, we've had a lovely day. I haven't done much chatting on this video. I just sort of brought you along and showed you what we got up to, what we were cooking, and the Flintnapping was really fun. I learnt quite a bit from Storb. It's been just a lovely time, and we've just been shooting the breeze, catching up, and just had some really good chats around the fire, and
It's been a good one.
it's been really good. And thanks for making the trip down, mate. I've really enjoyed catching up with you.
Thank you for sharing your wonderful space with us. It's such a lovely woodland. You guys would have seen many of this on the channel, but I finally here. It's amazing. It's everything it's lived up to and more. So thanks, dude.
Good. No, I'm glad you love it, because I love it here. So yeah, we're just watching the embers, and we're probably going to head to bed in not too long, because with the puppy I'm used to early nights now, so we're probably going to hit the hay fairly shortly. So we'll bring you back in the morning. We've got some bacon to cook up, but yeah, we'll show you that in the morning. But other than that, I hope you all sleep well, and I'll see you then. Bye. Well, good morning guys. That was a really nice sleep on my raised bed with reindeer hide and my lightweight sort of sleeping bag. I used camping pillow and then my Modern Warfare smock as well, so I have a really nice comfy pillow. So yeah, slept well.
I'm going to get up now and get the fire on and get some coffee going. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing all the stuff I got up to yesterday. I'll just show you our breakfast, and then we'll be both heading off to our respective busy lives. But yeah, it's been a really nice camp, and nice to spend some time in the woods. I love waking up under a tarp and just having trees all around. It's just stunning. I love it.
Well guys, that was an absolutely amazing camp. We've had a lovely time, and yeah, it's been just great catching up with Rob. We did some flint napping, we did some lovely cooks, we just had a great camp. So hope you guys have enjoyed coming along. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you did enjoy the video, make sure you go and head over to Storb's channel, because he's got a version of the video that's completely different to mine, different clips, different place to camp, all that stuff. So make sure you go over, give him a follow, watch that video, and I will see you guys in my next film shortly. Alright guys, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye!